Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2018 Vauxhall Mokka X Active. This car comes with the 1.4 petrol turbo engine and the manual gearbox, which is Euro 6 compliant, returning up to 43 miles per gallon, an insurance group of 14, and the car's covered just over 42,000 miles and comes with service history from Vauxhall. This particular colour is called Summit White and looks in really good condition for the age and mileage of the car. As you have a look inside, on the Mokka, you've got the nice raised driving position there, easy access in and out. The driver has a armrest which folds down, so that's nice and handy. Onto the dashboard, you've got the multimedia screen there in the centre for your DAB radio and Bluetooth. And this car also has climate control, as well as automatic headlights and wipers. And on the driver's door card there, you've got your 4 electric window switches and your folding door mirror controls there as well. These cars are brilliant for the family. So again, good access there into the back, nice wide door opening, lots of legroom and headroom, and the rear bench has 3 individual seat belts. Rear passengers have a 12-volt socket there in the centre as well. And as we open the tailgate on the Mokka X, you have the good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. And then underneath the boot floor, it also has some extra storage there, so that's nice and practical. And also a tyre inflator in the sidewall there as well. Externally, the car comes with daytime running lights, the 18-inch alloy wheels, and also front and rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance from just 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.